So once you've ironed and pleated the pallu, start your drape and let's get to the hip pleats. For this first method, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the pallu over your shoulder like you normally do. So you're gonna bring the part of the sari that's closest to you, your chest, and bring it around your body and bring it over your left hip. And then you're going to pin this with the first layer of the sari as well as your underskirt or sari silhouette, and you're gonna put a pin there. I'm gonna grab the sari there. I wanna say like 4 to 5 inches from that pin. It might be more for you if you have wider hips, and it might be less distance for you if your hips are narrower. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that, pinch it between my fingers, bring it up to my, so again, that was too short. So what I'm gonna do is like go out a little bit and just pinch and bring it up. Okay, I feel like that's too much. So I'm gonna start from like kind of like in the middle and bring it up like that. And as you do that, you'll see that you've created a few pleats here. And once you're done pleating the rest of your pleats, you're going to fan these out so they look good. Take this little piece of fabric here and you can tuck it in. And what I like to do is I just like to add another safety pin there. And then you're going to pleat as normal. And you can definitely fan out these pleats at this point, create these pleats on your hip. Once you're happy with the hip pleats, you can stagger your middle pleats. And that's pretty much it. So again, you just pin and then pull and pin again, and you define your hip pleat, and that's method 1.